Heather, you look like Dora if the only thing she explored was her sexuality. The only thing you can't find on the map is your dad.
The only reason Holly is a comedian is because she's taking the laugh part of her Live, Laugh, Love poster too seriously.
Heather dated an abusive ginger. Now the only red-headed dude messing with her body is Ronald McDonald.
Holly actually just got dumped by a juggalo. I don't know what's more embarrassing, finding out someone doesn't love you or finding out they love Insane Clown Posse more.
Heather's family is a lot like the chair she just sat in. Broken.
Holly looks like a Republican Barbie. Her accessories are an All Lives Matter poster and a pair of shorts that complement her eating disorder.
Heather's a Mexican bisexual. She's picked a lot of fruits. Her safe word is papaya.
Holly looks like she calls the cops on lemonade stands. Not because she's a Karen, but because they're competing with her lemonade stand.
Heather's a Tumblr girl. Not because of the app, just because of her boyfriend that used to push her down the stairs.
Holly and I actually are best friends because I make her look skinny, and she makes me look less retarded.